Hello from Hengehold Trucks. Take a look at this 2016 Ford Transit 150 with 46,705 miles. If this one does nothing for you, check your pulse. Stick around to the end of this video to hear this baby's engine purr. This vehicle's highlights include seating for 8, including the driver, Bluetooth, cruise control, keyless entry, a backup camera, and more. It is eligible for a Section 179 tax write-off. Businesses have counted on Hengehold trucks for over 75 years. Every truck we sell is carefully selected, inspected, and serviced for reliability. We don't do gimmicks or shortcuts, just quality trucks, fair deals, and a handshake you can count on. At Hengehold, it's more than a truck. It's your business.